Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. When you see all of them color here, guys, what you think? Yes, something nice and spicy and delicious. So please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Alright guys, and if you know a recipe you want me to do or a juice thing or anything, just leave it in the comment section. Alright, we are here doing this thing together. I'm not a chef, not a professional. I'm just doing my little home cooked meal, Jamaican style, Jamaican vibes. All right, let's get into this video. All right, my peeps. Now I'm gonna make some African style jollof rice. Okay, first time making it, so wish me all the best. But boy, them African people, when they go down another rice, it look good, so till. But guys, only thing I am fear for it, they use a lot of oil. But I'm not gonna use a lot of oil, and I'm gonna use really extra virgin healthy olive oil. Okay, so first you're gonna make the sauce. All right, and you need a can of tomato paste. All right, my peeps, so first you need a little blender. All right, and I'm doing it in my version, okay my peeps. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some scallion and some onion and a little bit of parsley. You don't have to put these, guys, but these give it extra flavor. Okay, so we're just gonna dump some of that in there, just a little bit. All right, just for taste. You don't want to put a whole lot. I'm using 4 stalks of scallion or green onion. Oh, you can smell that already. Can you see it? Okay, so we're gonna put that in the blender as well. We have some ginger. If you don't have fresh cut ginger, you can use the ginger paste. I have ginger paste, but I'm just gonna put some fresh cut ginger in it today. We're gonna put that. I have 2 onions. All right, the big one I'm gonna fry it in the oil, and the medium size I'm just gonna blend it. We're gonna use about 5 pegs of garlic. You can use more or less. And I'm gonna use 2 tomatoes. Guys, if you don't have fresh tomato, you can use the one in the can, diced tomato or so. It's okay. Guys, you know what happened? Me can't see out of my eye them. Ooh, the garlic and the onion, scallion. Ooh, I'm crying here, guys. Oh boy, I can't see, guys. Woo, might cut off my finger. Yeah, cry. Boy, them thing will burn your eyeball. Oh boy, oh boy. You better can't hold it, guys, so because we need the bell pepper to go down in there. So now one blend me. Now come blend 2 times, guys. Yeah, no way. I have 2 medium-sized bell pepper. You can just use whatever you have. Okay. Maybe I have to blend it separate and put it in. So we're gonna put some water, just a little bit to blend. We're gonna put about 1/2 cup. I don't want to put much water because we're trying to make like a puree. Oh, okay, that's better, guys. All right, it's gonna blend. This is my sauce. When I'm doing this one, I'm gonna put some scotch bonnet pepper in it, okay? If you don't like it spicy, don't put a lot. And we're just gonna blend this. And that's it. And we're just gonna pour that in. Look at that goodness. And you're gonna mix it up after. So I have a pot, and I'm gonna put some olive oil. Okay, Although this is healthy oil and this is olive oil, but I still don't want to put too much. Okay guys, so about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And I'm going to fry up my 1 onion, the big onion. All right guys, so you need 2, or you can put more if you want. So I put 1 in the sauce and 1 to fry up in the oil. Look at that goodness. I'm gonna add a few pimento grain. It's gonna add more flavor. I was gonna put some cloves, some whole cloves, but I add this minced clove already, so I'm just gonna put a little, like 1/4 teaspoon, just for flavor. I'm gonna put some ghee masala for more flavor. 1/4 teaspoon or half, it's up to you. I'm gonna put like a teaspoon of curry powder. So you can burn in the oil and all of that. Some people do it different guys. They put the curry powder in as is, but no, I want the curry to burn in the oil. So this is my Jamaican way of making it, okay? Ooh, it smells so good. And now I'm gonna pour my mixture in. I think I'm gonna put half. I'm gonna leave some for a different time guys. I'm not gonna make a lot today. And this is my tomato paste, and I'm gonna put, I want to put half can. So 1, 2, 3. We're gonna aim for a big 4 tablespoons. I think that will do. And then you want to mix this. Look at that goodness. Now I'm gonna season it up. All right, this is my all-purpose. I'm gonna put like 2 teaspoons. A little bit of salt, about a teaspoon of salt. Gonna put some black pepper. You can make your own chicken broth, but I'm just gonna use some of this one. All right, and I have 2 cups of water, okay, and I'm gonna pour it in. I'm gonna use the whole pack, right? It's not much in the pack. And to top it off, I'm gonna add a little spicy Maggi pack soup. This is about 1/4 pack. I have a little bit left over. All right, and we're just gonna pour it in here. You know, you can't make it without adding some thyme, right? So we're gonna put some thyme. All right, my peeps, when it starts to bubble, can you see the goodness here? I hope you can see it good. Look at that. I'm using, guys, some basmati rice, and I have about 3.5 cups of rice. Okay. This is enough sauce to cook it. All right, my peeps, so let's give it another stir. Turn down your stove to about medium or a little bit lower. You see the goodness here, guys? You're gonna cover it with some foil paper, and you're gonna put your pot cover on top. So you want to give it about 20 minutes. Don't take off the cover, let it steam. Turn my stove down at 2.8. Not quite 20 minutes yet. It's about 15 minutes mark after I cover it up. All right. Ooh, look at that, guys. Let's see it. Wow. Wow, guys, wow, just wow. Look at that. Woohoo! I'm proud of myself, guys, because it's the first time I'm making it. So just stir that sauce down in there. All right. Wow. You want to steam a little bit more, guys, but wow. I only can say wow. Cover it back up. Give it another 5 minutes. Woo! Look at that goodness. Let the steam stay in there and steam it out. And then it's all done. And over here, we're going to take a look at the rice. Woo! Look at this, guys. Wow, it finished. So you don't want it overcook. Turn the stove off. Perfect jollof rice. So good, full of flavor. All right. So I'm going to serve it up with some plantain, and I have some chicken, some fried chicken I'm going to serve it up with. All right, guys, over here I'm frying some plantain. The plantain do want to ripe a little bit more, guys. But sure, you know where you go. We are eat this bad boy today. All right, my peeps, here I have my plantain and I have some chicken. I bought these, okay? I wasn't into the mood to fry up no chicken, all right? And here I have some bell peppers and carrots and onions and all of that saute. You can use this on your fish or whatever, so I'm gonna add some. All right, and let's go. Woo! Perfect jollof rice. I want to make it look pretty, like how I see the African people you know, they make it look pretty and nice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna place my chicken in it just like that. I'm gonna put one up, one down, right? That's idea a little better, yeah, something like so. Wing it up, guys. Put this over there so we can put the wing right there. Oh gosh, we put too much in our pot, don't you? Woo! And we're gonna add the plantains. Gonna add the plantains to the side. And I'm gonna put a little bit over it like that. All right, guys, and this is the first time I'm making African jollof rice, okay, with, you know, Jamaican version, Jamaican style. All right, guys, and it's so good. Woo! You can serve it with whatever you want. All right, guys, so this is the pretty, you know, this is how they decorate it and how it look. I'm gonna dish out a little bit, right, and taste it for you. Oh my goodness, look at this goodness, guys. So good, cooked to the bone. When Jamaican people say cook to the bone, guys, they mean it well cooked, full of flavor. And this is my dinner. All right, I'm gonna put one chicken leg and some of my plantains. And this is what I'm having, my jollof rice, Jamaican style, all right, with some plantain, one chicken leg, and some sauté veg, and some avocado. Okay, all right, guys, so that's what I'm having. The rice came out so shelly and nice. Anyhow, guys, I'm just gonna taste a little bit for you. Look at that. This rice is so good. And I didn't even use a lot of oil, guys, so that's good. And I use healthy olive oil, extra virgin, to top it off. Okay. Oh, so good. All right, guys, we're gonna leave for now. We're gonna eat. So good. Love it.